Please switch on the machine according to the switch on instruction, if it is not already running. Please also make sure the control switch is turned on and shortage unlock was pressed. Please open the two ball valves that lead to the mixing ratio check unit at the dosing units A and B at the swivel arm. Now activate the function ratio check in the user interface from submenu pot time, parking position, ratio check. Possibly you need a user profile with appropriate permissions. The duration of the ratio checking process should be long enough for the cup of the A component to fill completely. Please remove both cap screws from the ball valves of the ratio check unit. Ideally use disposable cups, min. 400 ml, and place them in the cup holders underneath the valves. Important: before you can check the mixing ratio, please apply the mixed material with the mixer installed using the gun and note the dynamic working pressures, indicated in the overview menu of the user interface. Please place two cups under the mixing ratio check unit and start the mixing ratio check by pressing Start Mixing Ratio Check and opening the two ball valves at the same time. Please now set the previously noted working pressures using the back pressure regulators. Screw in the adjusting screw to increase the pressure and unscrew the adjusting screw to reduce the pressure. As soon as the pressures have been set accordingly, wait until the end of the mixing ratio check and close the ball valves and remove the filled cups. Please place two cups under the mixing ratio check unit and start the mixing ratio check by pressing Start Mixing Ratio Check and opening the two ball valves at the same time. Now the machine will emit material for the beforehand set duration. Please close the ball valves immediately after the end of the mixing ratio checking process. Please weigh the cups in pairs, as they were filled together, and note the respective weights. Important: please set the scale to 0 beforehand with an empty cup on it. Please repeat this process for 3 times. Now you can calculate the mixing ratios of the 3 samples with the noted weights and then determine the mean value. Please ensure that the mixing ratio is within the specified tolerance before you continue working with the machine. The mixing ratio and the mixing ratio tolerance are specified in the technical data sheet you receive from the material manufacturer. If the mixing ratio in the data sheet is only given by volume and not by weight, the values must be converted using the specific material density. After finishing the mixing ratio check, please close the two ball valves at the dosing units A and B at the swivel arm. Also deactivate the function ratio check in the user interface from submenu pot time, parking position, ratio check.